Hi, I'm Ruth Angelina, and this is Tip of the Week. And I found this chair in the streets of New York City, and I'm gonna repurpose it to do something for a little photo shoot that I'm working on. Can you kind of guess what the photo shoot is, since this chair is the shape of a heart? So I found this on the streets, like I said, and it's a little bit beat up and broken up. So I'm just gonna do a little bit quick fixes and then spray paint it, and it'll be perfect for my photo shoot and what I have envisioned for this Valentine's photo shoot. This chair is in pretty good condition except for the seat part, and that's what I'm just going to be working on. I'm just gonna reinforce these parts with just wire. If you know, you wanna actually, if you find something like this in the street and you wanna get it fixed, I'm sure you can find somebody that can do the rattan repairs, but we're just using it for a photo shoot and I don't plan on using it for anything else or maybe even keeping it. But all we're doing is wiring it. I'm doubling up on this wire and reinforcing over here and just trying to make the seat as stable as possible so nobody just sits and goes through the chair. And that's pretty much it. And then we'll nail down a couple of spots here and then spray paint it. And guess what color? Hot pink. That's what we're going for. All right, so we're ready for the paint, and don't mind my crazy attire. Yes, this is very handy. A plastic bag. And then I just put all my clothes reversed because I always seem to get paint. And of course this little mask, because we don't want to smell those fumes. So, here we go. And as you can see, my New York City find turned out to be a great photo prop for my Valentine's Day photo shoot for just the cost of a can of spray paint. With just a few little minor repairs, the boys were able to sit in the chair for the photo shoot, and they had a lot of fun coming up with all their cute little poses. I wasn't planning to keep the chair, but I found someone that wanted something just like it, so they repurposed it to use it as a planter in their garden. Finding this chair sparked the idea for this photo shoot, and I hope this tip of the week inspires you to think outside of the box as well. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. And if you want to see how I use the pictures from this photo shoot, check out the video on the screen. Happy Valentine's!